Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting into the router interface. That's the only way to change a hidden network. Connect with Ethernet or the working Wi-Fi, then open 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 in your browser. Log in using the admin username and password. If you don't know them, perform a hardware reset first to restore defaults. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID settings, so you can find the option that controls SSID broadcast. Now change the SSID broadcast setting. Look for SSID broadcast or hide SSID. Different vendors label it differently. Switch it to enable SSID broadcast so the network appears in device lists, and while here confirm the SSID name is correct and recognizable. Make sure WPA2/WPA3 security is still set with a strong passphrase. Do not weaken encryption. Save or apply the settings. And when the router requests a reboot, allow it. This ensures the broadcast change takes effect across all radio. Finish by reconnecting your devices. Refresh their Wi-Fi lists, select the SSID, and enter the existing password. Once done, make sure to update any saved profiles on phones, laptops, or smart devices so they auto-join. If the network remains invisible, clear the device's saved networks and reboot both router and client. As a last resort, factory reset the router and perform the same SSID and security setup again. Only use that step if all other attempts fail, because it wipes custom settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.